For R3 2025, there's a new way to combine multiple documents into a single transaction. So this was previously available through the purchasing module through doing process transactions. But in order to do it this new way, you'll go to Setup, Configuration, and down here in Enable Functionality, you're going to hit Enable Conversions for multiple source documents. So you want to make sure that's checked off and you hit Save. So this will allow you to convert multiple lines on separate POs into, like, let's say you're going from a quote to an order or an order to a invoice, depending on your workflows. It'll allow you to bring in multiple source documents. So I'm going to give you the example of purchase order to an invoice. So I'm going to go to my purchase orders, and I have two purchase orders here for Buffalo Building Company. And if I take a look at this first one, I have two lines. One is for Burns Restaurant and one is for Growers Association. And then I have this other purchase order here, which is for Burns Restaurant. So say I want to create an invoice and I want the lines for Burns Restaurant on both of those POs. So in order to do that, then I can hit Convert here on my purchase order, the original one or whichever one, and hit Vendor Invoice. I'm creating an invoice off of this purchase order. When I get in here, then I do have to put in a vendor document number. So I'm going to put in a vendor document number here. And on my entry screen, I only want to bill out for Burns Restaurant. So I'm going to get rid of the Growers Association line. And then in my source doc ID, I have 4185. So I'm going to drop that down and I'm going to pick 14587, which is my other purchase order. And I'm going to pull in the line from that purchase order that's for Burns Restaurant. And there actually is only one line on that purchase order. So I'm going to select that one. So it's going to bring in the lines for Burns Restaurant on both of those POs. And then I can decide what quantity I want to invoice out. So you don't have to fully convert. So I can just do 4 here, and then I can do 5 on this line. So I am choosing from multiple source documents from an order and creating an invoice for that. And I'm going to hit Post, and that's going to create my vendor invoice, which automatically flows over to AP.